So what's up? You must have bored seeing me in the same avatar since the last two videos and then once again. So in this video I'm going to be sharing this eye makeup look which is very different from the one I usually do on my channel. So this is completely soft matte eye makeup look and very simple, trust me. And very soft, very everyday daily wear eye makeup look. So yeah, if you want to know, and this makeup look is also very beginner friendly, so shout out. So yep, if you want to know how I got this eye makeup look, just the eye makeup look, please keep watch till the end. Okay, so I'm just going to take a brown matte eyeshadow to just begin from, and I'm just going to apply this at my crease area. This is very pigmented. So it is one of the darkest matte brown eyeshadow, and if you are a beginner you can also mix this with a peach nude color to just lighten up, or if you don't want any dark crease, maybe then. So I'm just blending it so it looks softer and neater now. Just following the original line of my eye. I'm not going to do any reshaping kind of a thing. I'm just making it round, and after that I will now take there's not a lot of matte colors though. I think I have to change the palette maybe. Okay, not. I will use this matte beige color just below the brown and see if this works out or not. A smaller brush this time, and just apply this below. Yeah, I think it's look good. So it's turning out to be halo eye. It's like very semi halo eye or very soft halo eye. So I've put dark colors here and lighter color in middle. So for the pop of the light color I will use a matte white eyeshadow. A lot of you do not use and does not know the importance of the matte white eyeshadow, but trust me, if you buy and use it, it is a very good thing. So I have the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in the shade Sugar. It's like this. It is a white matte eyeshadow, and it looks amazing, and it is very pigmented. So I'm just using this, applying this onto the top of my lid with a small tiny flat brush, just like this. Just dipping this here and apply it on here. So you just want to take the color and press to your lid and slide. Just press and slide. This thing you gotta do with when you apply the matte color or any pigmented color to your lid. Just press and slide. This is the best trick to apply the it is the best way to deposit the color to your crease basically. So very nice trick if you want the most out of the pigment. So you just want to take the color and press to your lid and slide. Just press and slide. This thing you gotta do with when you apply the matte color or any pigmented color to your lid. Just press and slide. This is the best trick to apply the it is the best trick to deposit the color to your crease basically. So very nice trick if you want the most out of the pigment to your eyelids. And this is how it's look, and it's look amazing. Like if you see the difference, this looks more white and more bright. And I'll also use the white color to enhance my eyelid, sorry, inner corners, to just brighten up the inner corners, and just dragging it downwards a little bit, and yep, that's it. Very soft and simple look. Okay, so at last, just take a fluffy brush and the little brown color that has remaining in this blood, that has been remaining on this brush, and just clean out everything and just blend everything together, just like this, one last time, so it looks very balanced out and very nice. So I think it is looking different. That's what I usually do, like it's looking different from the any other eye makeup that I usually do, so I think it's looking fine. I'll just apply liner and some lipstick, and that's the only thing remaining. For liner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal liner, and I love it. It is my ride or die eyeliner. I just can't live without this liner. You know it. I always apply this liner. You guys must have bored of me using this liner. So, but I can't help. I just love this liner a lot. I'm gonna be applying some liner. I'm just applying the very thin wing liner. Not too dramatic. It's like this. Now I'm just curling my lashes. Mascara just open up your eye and your eye makeup will look more good. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Icon. It is the orangey burnt kind of a nude shade, so it is perfect for this soft makeup look. And I am done. This makeup look is completed.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Okay guys, so I hope you like and enjoy this eye makeup tutorial, and if you want more, comment down below, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out any of my upcoming content. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and a big thumbs down if you don't. I am okay with both of things. And yeah, I should see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care. And this is the last video of this makeup look, so yeah, this is last. I'm so sorry. Bye.